capturing dramatic photos, shooting high-resolution videos, performing air stunts. Drones can do a lot these days. The technology is advancing to improve drone usability, camera quality, and much more, so the range of drones available is growing. DJI continues to dominate the market, with most of their models making up the most well-reviewed drones out there. Hello guys, welcome to Gadget 10. We've got the top 5 best drones to buy in 2023 for you today. Get the promo price in the link in the description below the video. Number 5. DJI Mavic 3, $1,597. The DJI Mavic 3 relatively high starting price of $1,597 makes it significantly more expensive than others on this list. But if you're a professional or enthusiastic photographer wanting superb photos and videos from the sky, then it's an investment that might be worth making. The DJI Mavic 3 is the best drone for prosumers and videographers who want the best camera drone without having to purchase a camera and drone separately. The sight itself is quite heavy with a weight of 895 grams, but this is the most advanced drone today. This aerial powerhouse is fronted by a dual camera that mixes a large 20-megapixel 4/3 sensor with a handy 162mm telephoto lens. Mavic 3 featured a stunning Hasselblad camera with the 4/3 CMOS sensor. Having such a large sensor on a drone of this size is an absolute novelty. The Mavic 3 can record video at resolutions of up to 5.1K 50 FPS, and it has a 28x digital zoom that's also pretty impressive. A notable feature of the Mavic 3 is its intelligent return function, where it can optimize a safe return to its starting point while using omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Plus, it has a maximum transmission distance of up to 15 kilometers. The Mavic 3 can fly for up to 46 minutes, a near eternity for drones. It also has excellent object tracking and 360-degree obstacle avoidance, so you can record what you want without worrying about crashing into things. All of this comes at a cost. It folds down to the size of a large camera lens, so it's relatively easy to get into a photography backpack. But those of you wanting a tiny drone for traveling should still look to the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Number 4. DJI Avata Pro, $1,168. The DJI Avata is an FPV drone, one in which you see the camera view through a set of VR goggles, not on a smartphone screen. A nose-mounted camera, motion-sensitive remote, and 30 mph sport mode are there for thrill seekers. Meanwhile, built-in prop guards keep it flying after minor bumps, and downward-facing sensors make low-to-the-ground flights possible. First, let's talk about the price. The DJI Avata retails for $1,168, making it a mid-range option that is packed with features and capabilities. Now, let's talk about the specs. The Avata has a 1.7-inch image sensor with 48-megapixel photos, equivalent focal length of 12.7mm, ultra-wide 155 field of view, capable of recording 4K video at 50 or 60 FPS. Also, it can capture 2.7K at 50, 60, 100, or 120 FPS only with DJI FPV Google Vault 2, and it has support electronic stabilization. It also has a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, stable footage and obstacle avoidance sensors for a safe flight. Avata offers an impressive 18-minute flight time and upgraded safety. With the built-in propeller guard, it can handle minor contact, stay in the air, and keep on flying. The Avata has a reasonable amount of internal storage, about 20 GB, which is enough to hold around 20 minutes of 4K 60 FPS footage. The quadcopter supports a microSD slot, but finally, DJI made a drone with more internal storage than just 8 GB. Overall, flying the Avata is an experience of a lifetime, and it's the easiest FPV drone to get up and fly comfortably and confidently in no time. Number 3. Autel Robotics EVO Lite Plus, $1,049. The Autel EVO Lite Plus is confusingly named, as although it sounds like it would be a smaller drone, it's a similar size and weight to the Mavic 3. When it comes to specs, It sits right between the Air 2S and the Mavic 3, and the same is true of the pricing. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS image sensor, 20 megapixel, and Autel's intelligent moonlight algorithm, the Evo Lite Plus can capture crisp, vibrant details at night with low noise even when the ISO is cranked up high. The image quality from the Evo Lite Plus is stunning, and while it can't offer the same 10-bit color as the pricier Mavic 3, but the Autel Evo Lite Plus is capable of shooting 6K footage at 30 FPS using a 1-inch sensor. It shares a remarkably similar spec sheet, but it also both leapfrogs the Air 2S and the Mavic Pro 2 with its 40-minute flight time and adjustable aperture, ranging from f2.8 to f11. The Lite Plus model does lack the 4th-axis stabilization of its Evo Lite sibling, but the larger pixels on its sensor give it better light-gathering potential in dim conditions. The drone and its accessories feel reassuringly sturdy, and the user experience is easy and intuitive. When it comes to software, DJI still has a slight edge, but the app and feature set is improving with each update that gets released. With the Autel Evo Lite Plus, Autel presents a compelling alternative to DJI and an image quality that simply can't be ignored. Number 2. DJI Air 2S, $995. This drone is the upgraded version of the popular DJI Mavic Air 2, and it has a lot of new features and improvements that make it an excellent option for both creative and professional pilots. First off, let's talk about the price. The DJI Air 2S retails for $995, which is a bit of an investment, but it's definitely worth it for the range of features that you're getting. The DJI Air 2S is an impressive all-rounder, having some of the best features from some of DJI's most advanced drones. It stands out in its ability to capture details in photos and videos, thanks to its 1-inch image sensor and 2.4 micrometer pixels. It also has several features to streamline image capturing. Focus Track can help the drone follow or circle a subject, while Master Shots can determine the best shot. The 20-megapixel camera on the DJI Air 2S can shoot 5.4K video and can transmit a 1080-pixel feed to a device up to 12 km away. Like all other DJI drones, the Air 2S was a pleasure to fly. It's incredibly easy to pilot and hovers like a statue. It has the same transmission technology as the DJI FPV, so it can fly further than most other DJI drones. Its 31-minute flight time is a few minutes less than the DJI Air 2. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro, $759. The DJI Mavic Mini series has taken the drone world by storm thanks to being a member of the regulator-friendly sub-249-gram category. This compact and portable drone packs a ton of features into a small package, making it a perfect option for creative and professional pilots alike. The DJI Mini 3 Pro retails for $759, making it an affordable option for those who wanted to get into aerial photography and videography. Despite its budget-friendly price tag, the Mini 3 Pro still boasts impressive specs. It has a 3-axis gimbal camera that can capture 4K video at 60 FPS, and it has a 48-megapixel sensor for taking high-quality photos. The advanced camera system supports dual native ISO and f1.7 aperture for high-quality imagery, night and day. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. The gimbal rotates 90 degrees, so you don't have to compromise image quality. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is also equipped with a range of creative features that make it a great choice for creative pilots. For example, it has a range of camera filters and shooting modes, including slow motion, hyperlapse, and panoramic shots. Additionally, it has a range of tri-directional obstacle avoidance sensors that help to prevent crashes and ensure a safe flight. We also love the fact that with the extended battery, the Mini 3 Pro can fly for up to 47 minutes. While the actual number was around 44 minutes, it's a light drone and can get pushed around easily by a strong wind that's still an incredibly long flight time. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is an incredibly versatile and affordable drone that is perfect for both creative and professional pilots.